Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from SuNN.com, bringing you the May 2023 edition of Crafting at the Lake House. This crafting event took place in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right on the beautiful Okanagan Lake. The annual catalog was celebrated in the projects, so look for new, fresh ideas. There are 12 projects featuring 12 different Stampin' Up! Products, plus 2 bonus projects in this fun video mini-series. There is a link in the description box below to purchase the written PDF in case you're so inclined. I totally appreciate the support. Thank you in advance. So I do hope you have fun watching the videos and get inspired. Hi friends, happy Canada Day and all that jazz. Here we have card number 9 featuring the Timeless Arrangements bundle. This is my mini cut and emboss machine. These are 2 dies from the Timeless Arrangements bundle. That is basic white thin and old olive cardstock that's being loaded up to get cut from the dies. This is about as much as I fill the mini cut and emboss machine. I always say it's like a little baby. It's really convenient to have on your desk. It folds up nice, but it's not going to take like a gazillion little dies because it's just a little thing. But so this is a beautiful label, and these are leaves that go underneath the label. I gotta say, I really love this. Look at that little detail on that label. So cute. All right, so this is the In Color Pebble Path designer series paper, and this is what it's going to look like on that basic white, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So here is a 6x6 piece of designer series paper. Here is my ruler, and on all 4 sides on the left hand side I am marking 1.5. So we mark just with a pencil line on all 4 sides. So here's my trimmer. I'm going to line the left side, so that point has to be pointing up at 1.5, and the bottom has to be matching. And then I'm just going to turn it to the next side, and I'm going to point 1.5 up in that top left corner, and the bottom right corner is going to be at the 1.5 mark on the track. So now you know how to make that unique little cut. Well, I guess it's a one-sheet wonder, isn't it? So I'm going to put some Seal Plus on the back of my designer series paper, and I'm going to adhere it to a basic white cardstock, and that is 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to put all of that on a gray granite cardstock. It's going to leave a nice thick border. And then I'm going to bring out my old olive ink and the thank you that comes along with the Timeless Arrangements bundle. And then I'm going to put Seal Plus on the back of that, and I'm going to adhere it to the label, the leaf label. I guess the leaf die. How's that? It's going to make the label leafy, if you will. Dimensional adhesive goes on the back, and I'm going to put that on the card. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section, or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.